sail terribly well. Well, here's a little video to tell you otherwise. Currently we're in the Whitsunday Passage in northern Queensland. Absolute part of the earth for sailing, I can tell you. It's magnificent out here. Currently about 20 knots. We've got waves of about a metre. Swells a little bit taller than that occasionally. Sailing with just a full genoa out at the moment. And I'll confess I have been one of them until you get yourself on board one and get out and